This is a video to show you just how quick and easy it is to assemble the FlaskCaddy by Gear Pros. Your package comes with a round base and 2 half cylinders. You'll notice that each half cylinder has a notched tab. Simply line up the tabs and they snap together. Once you hear that click, you know that your FlaskCaddy is locked together. The last step is simply twist the round base onto the cylinder, set it on the passenger floorboard, and add your biggest water bottle. It's designed to stay upright around corners, over bumps, and at sudden stops. It's made right here in the USA out of recycled plastic. If you find yourself needing more assistance, please feel free to reach out to our support team at support@gearpros.com. They are super friendly and helpful.